Hello everyone. So this is question number 15 of chapter SHM. Uh, in this question, this is a system that there is a spring and there are two mass that is attached to this spring. One is directly attached to a spring, that is M1. Other is resting on M1, simply resting on M1, M2, and both are kept on inclined plane like what is shown in the figure. Now, if here we have to find out the compression of the spring in the equilibrium position. Suppose this is the equilibrium position, then what is happening that this surface is frictionless. So considering this both mass to be together, so they will have a net force of net mg sine theta in this direction, and it will have some compression. They will compress this spring to some extent. So let that compression be x, so it will exert a force of kx to balance it. Let be kx naught. So kx naught will be mg sine theta. So x naught will become mg sine theta by k. And what is this m? M is the total mass of the system, that is m1 plus m2 into g sine theta by k. So this is the position, this much the spring would have compressed to balance this weight. Now find the normal force on this the block are pushed a further distance of, okay, so from this position both block are pushed to a distance of x, that x is 2 by k m1 plus m2 into g sine theta. Okay, so if this is the mean position, because this is the equilibrium position, and this block is pushed furthermore this much, and at that extreme position this speed is 0 and it is released, so it will oscillate about this mean position with the amplitude of this much. So here it is asking that find the position where the two blocks separate. Okay, so m1 will separate from m2, m2 will separate from m1 at what location? So let us look at the situation. This is m1, this is m2. M2 have a kind of acceleration. So this m1, if m1 is having a kind of acceleration a in this direction, so what is the force that is acting on m2? First thing is m2g sine theta. Second thing is normal, and if we are taking with respect to this m1, so if it is moving in this direction, so it will have pseudo force ma. So in this direction normal cannot be 0, but if the m1 will have acceleration of a towards down the plane, so it will have a pseudo force of the plane. So now we can say that there is a possibility when n1 can become 0 for certain acceleration. When ma is equal to, we can write that m2g, this m2g sine theta minus n. So for some acceleration n can become 0 and it will lose the contact. So what is that acceleration? So that acceleration can be g sine into theta, and acceleration is equal to omega square into x, that is g sine theta. So x is going to be g sine theta upon omega square. So omega square is nothing but m1 plus m2 into k, sorry, k by m1 plus m2. So let it be right power minus 1. So we will have m1 plus m2 into g sine theta by k. So this is the case here. Now C part, what is the common speed of the block at that time of separation? Okay, so let this be m1 plus m2, because till this position they are together, it has an x of this much, and amplitude it have 2 times m1 plus m2 into g sine theta by k. So if we say this as x, so a is equal to 2 times x, because it is double of that. So what is the velocity? So velocity is equal to omega into root over x a square minus x square. You know this formula. So omega into this a for x square minus x square. So we'll have omega into root 3x square. Now b is equal to 3 omega x to the whole square. So if you substitute the value, you will get 3 m1 m2 by k into g sine theta.